In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Slack user ID. This can be really handy for a variety of reasons, like integrating with certain apps or managing settings in team configurations. Let's jump right in and take you through the process step by step. First, you'll need to open your Slack application. If you're on a desktop, you can open it through your browser or your installed app. Just make sure you're logged into the account associated with the user ID you want to find. This is pretty straightforward, but if you're using multiple workspaces, double check that you're in the correct one. Next, once you're inside the Slack app, navigate to your profile section. You can do this by clicking on your profile icon. Typically, you'll find this at the top right corner of the interface. A small profile picture will usually indicate where to click. This icon is your gateway to personal settings and information, so it's a good spot to familiarize yourself with for other Slack tasks as well. After you've clicked on your profile icon, a drop-down menu will appear. What you want to do next is to click on the option that says Profile. By clicking on this, you'll be brought to your personal information page. It's worth noting that this profile section serves as a hub for all sorts of personal settings. Not only is this area crucial for finding your user ID, but it also contains other contact details and preferences you may want to review or update periodically. Now that you're viewing your profile page, look for the ellipsis icon, which is essentially 3 vertically aligned dots. On most devices, this should appear somewhere near your profile picture or name. Clicking on these 3 dots will open a new menu. It's essentially a drop-down menu with several options for managing different aspects of your profile. The final step in this process will be to select the option that says Copy Member ID. It's in this menu that you'll find the easy to miss yet essential option. Once you click on it, it'll automatically copy your user ID to your clipboard. This can then be pasted wherever you need it, whether it's in a text document for safekeeping, a database, or a specific form related to Slack integrations. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to find your Slack user ID. This can come in handy for app development, custom settings adjustments, or just better optimizing your workspace setup. Remember, keeping track of such details can make your Slack experience much smoother, especially when dealing with third-party applications or internal administrative tasks. I hope you found this guide helpful and easy to follow. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful guides and tips on getting the most out of your digital tools. Thanks for watching and have a productive day.